Hey guys, it's me Nix and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title of this video, I am doing a top knot bun tutorial because you already know it's summertime and this is the season for buns and braids and the best ponytails, and I love me a good ponytail. So I was gonna do a different type of ponytail, but then I realized I didn't have some of the stuff that I needed. So instead of just canceling today altogether, I decided, you know what, do something that is super simple and you don't need a lot of products. And this is actually one of my favorite go-to hairstyles whenever I don't know what to do with my hair and I just need something quick and cute. So this is what I did. It is super easy. It literally takes you less than 10 minutes to do, like fastest hairstyle ever. So if you want to see how I did this bum ass top knot bun, then keep on watching. But sis, before we get into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I know you're not going to watch how I did this top knot bun and not subscribe. Like, I don't understand that. That's not how this works. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and if you already have, then make sure you please sis, come, please hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. If you do not, my video will be lost in the sauce and you will not see this video. You will not see it, and that's not what we want. Okay, also don't forget to follow me on social media. It's at shaniksniks, and I will leave that down below or somewhere on this screen so that you can follow me. All right, so enough of me plugging myself. Let's get into this video. Hi guys, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and let you guys know I am here trying to edit my video currently, and the first half of my video is gone. I guess my camera stopped recording in the middle of it, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, the first half that is missing is just me putting my hair up into a high ponytail. So you can do whatever you feel like doing to put your hair up in a high ponytail. My hair has been pressed for like, I want to say a week, so it was pretty easy to manage. I just used Crown Me Coil Care Edge Control, and I used that to hold my hair up into place, and I also used some Gotta Be Freeze Spray, nothing special. And also this is the brand of braid in here. This is what it looks like. It's Model Glance Formation Braid, and it already comes tapered at the end, which is very important. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what was missing in the first video, or in the first half of the video. And again, I apologize, but let's continue and you can actually see how I did the actual top knot bun. Bye. So all I did was take the braiding hair out of the package, and it usually comes with like a little rubber band attached to it, and I just attached that to my bun, twisted the hair up, and I'm just going to wrap it around my bun, as you can see. And the reason why I said that the braiding hair was tapered at the end, and that's important because I don't have to really bobby pin it, or I don't have to really secure it. I just have to wrap it and it actually stays in place perfectly on its own. Now I'm just fixing my edges a little bit with my edge control, and that's it. And I made sure that I left all of this out in real time so that you can see how easy it is to make that bun. And this is what this is what it looks like. So I'm just switching my earrings so I can look fancy. And take some pics. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.